Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. The last video that I have made, that's called Mu Sigma selection round, that I have got very beautiful comments on that, and people have told me to make a new video on like interview session. So what are the interview questions that was asked for me? So yes, I'm here in front of you, and before going further, I have to show you one thing, that here is some statistics that I want to show. I am teaching the statistics and this machine learning, and now you can see my statistics. 86.4% have not subscribed my channel, and only 13.6% have subscribed my channel, those who people who watch my content. So I request you guys, so it's a subscribe button for you, but it's show me how much support you give to me, and it's take time, it's take energy for making this video. So I want to thank you for subscribing it, and those who haven't subscribed my channel, please go and click that red button below and like the video. Interview question that was asked for me during Mu Sigma. So yeah, these are the questions here. You can take the screenshot or whatever you want. So the first question was basic introduction. It was basically one-to-one HR. So as I mentioned you, first was a Mu app, and the second was basically recorded interaction that we have, and the third is basically face-to-face one-to-one interaction was there. So yes, for me they have started with the introduction part, and as I have written here, I finished my introduction with my major project. So it's very important. So let me give you one tip here. So whenever you try to give an introduction part, try to finish your introduction with something that you wanted an interviewer to ask you back, right? The same thing here. I finished my introduction part with my major project. In order to ask the interviewer the next question, they have the mindset that I have finished my introduction with something called my major project. So rather than thinking of new question, they asked me the same major project. So the next second question was, so what was my major project? So I explained about what was my major project and everything, and how I implemented that major project and what are the things there. So yeah, and the third question was like how I can implement my major project in real life. So they literally asked me like my major project was, let me tell you that I have a voting decentralized application using blockchain technology. So they asked me how I can implement my project in real life. So I told them that okay, I can try to make a booth of polling, like how we have a polling booth. So we can have a computer booth in which we can have their own Ethereum accounts and everywhere, and they can try to log in there, and each person can vote for a single time. So yes, I have given some of the like point-wise solutions for that. And the fourth question was, what will be the difficulties, like what will be the difficulties faced by you, so faced by me during implementation. Sorry, I have written here implantation. Sorry, so it's implementation, right? You can correct that. So what are the difficulties faced by me during implementation was, I have mentioned that some of the smart contracts maybe cause problems, and like some of the issues, the basic issues that people are like less educated here, so they need to be more aware about this thing. So yeah, some of the I have mentioned that those things. And the fifth question is, I have mentioned my first year project and recorded video session round. So he asked me about my first year project. So my first year project was Mars Dustbin using IoT. So I have mentioned those projects, and I was the like a good member of that team, and we are the member of 3, I think. Yeah, as I remember, we are the member of 3. So I told him that yeah, I have done this project, and we are the member of those things, and we have worked on that, and we have made this project. So they asked me about that, and it's basically like HR round. So they asked me how many siblings do I have, and what basically my family do, so what my siblings do, and the one question was like, my dad is in center government, so and my brother is also in center government. So asked me a very good question, like why you are joining not center government, why you trying to job this private sector and this Mu Sigma, why Mu Sigma, why aren't other company and all those things. So yeah, it's all upon you. I'm not gonna give you my answer back here. So it's basically it's all on you, your sense of humor, everything, that how you frame your answers and present to the presenter, so that they get impressed by you, and they feel that yeah, for my sense, they asked me this question, and I gave such a good answer that the interviewer just told me that okay, it's a nice story or a nice answer, like that. He mentioned me that okay, it's very hard that the interviewer will tell you this thing, and don't think that it will be a very typical interview. So it will be a very generous interview, because people like us in the Mu Sigma is a very good company. If you don't know, go and Google search it, because they will provide a lot of opportunity in a very young age. Okay, you will get a chance to interact with the client directly within like joining, and within joining of some days, right? And the last question was the same answer. Do you have any question for me? So yeah, basically, and typically people ask the same questions, like I asked the same thing. So what was the like how was my interview? So he mentioned, and okay, I can't say that to you, but you can ask me something else. So I told them, okay, can you tell me like how was your experience with this company and all those things? So he explained me that yeah, I had a very pretty experience with this company, and he has mentioned me like amount of years he has worked like with this company, and like what are the problem, like he has solved a lot of problems and everything. So yeah, it was very great having talk with that guy, because they have a policy that we can't say sir. So yeah, it took me a while to not to say sir to someone who is interviewing me right now. So yeah, it's sounds very awkward, but yeah, we got managed with that. And yeah, that's all about my interview session. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you want any more interactive session or anything, like any more session do you want, just comment down below. I will try to make a video on that. Otherwise my playlists are going on machine learning books and everything. You can follow that. I have machine learning, I have good websites, like the website that you have never heard about. I have some playlists, and go and check out my playlist. I won't say anything else, just go and check out my playlist, because I have made lot of videos. I think you are missing those videos. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a nice day to all. Bye.